Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Botany with Sadhna. In this video, we will discuss about pteridophytes, a brief discussion of pteridophytes and how reproduction takes place in pteridophytes, line to line description of pteridophytes from NCERT. So first of all, what are pteridophytes? Pteridophytes are the first terrestrial plants which possesses vascular bundles in their organ, and they possesses true root, true stem and true leaf. So this is the basic definition of pteridophytes. First, terrestrial plants having vascular bundle and true root stem and true leaf is present, and the main plant body is sporophyte. Main plant body is sporophyte. Now, sporophyte or plant main plant body bears sporangia in which spores are present, in which sporophyll is present. Wait. Sorry. The main plant body is sporophyte and true leaf. In pteridophytes there are two types of leaf: microphyll and megaphylls. Microphyll is present in Selaginella and megaphyll is present in ferns. And these leaves bear sporangia on their lower surface of leaf, like this. Sporophyte bears sporophylls in which sporangia are which bears sporangia and which produces spores. And these spores, either male gamete or female gamete, male spores and female spores, give rise to gametophyte, male gametophyte and female gametophyte. Male gametophyte is, both are thalloid and photosynthetic in nature. And the gametophyte is also called as prothallus because it is not proper thallus like present in algae or bryophytes. So the gametophytes are called as prothallus, and the shape of gametophytes are thalloid and they are photosynthetic in nature. So means if photosynthetic, they are not dependent on sporophyte, independent, or we can say that not dependent on sporophyte, however, it has been seen that female gametophyte is dependent on sporophylls are present in sporophyte, female and male sporophyte. Female gametophyte is dependent on female gametophyte is present or in present on the male female gametophyte is retained inside or on the body of female sporophyte. It's a precursor for seed habit and it is dependent for variable period, and different species retain for variable period on female sporophyte. Female gametophyte retain on the female sporophyte and that is dependent on for variable period. Okay. So in some cases spores are not present on the surface or beneath the surface of leaf. In some cases sporophyll form a compact structure in which sporangia are present. Compact structure, then it is known as strobili or cone, and it is seen in It is seen in equisetum. It is seen in equisetum. In majority of pteridophytes, there are only one kind of spore or homosporous condition is seen. Homosporous, majority of pteridophytes, which means same kind of spores are produced. So if same kind of spore are produced, then where is variation or where are modification? So in some species different kinds of spores are produced, that is called as heterosporous condition. Two different kinds of spores are produced. Microspores and megaspores. I think I have to rub this all. Is it clear to you? Please comment in the comment box so that I get to know that you are able to understand this. Microspore and megaspores. So these are two types of spores. Male gametophyte and female gametophyte after different division and differentiation produces antheridia and archegonia. Antheridia produces antherozoids. Archegonia is flask-shaped female gametophyte, and antherozoids are released in water or near the mouth of the flask. Archegonia is a flask-shaped structure. So antherozoids are released near the mouth and they are transferred with the help of water. So female and male gamete and female gametophyte is their habitat is restricted to narrow geographical range. Means they are present near the source of water or in cool, damp and shaded areas. So as antherozoids are released near the archegonia and the fertilization takes place. After fertilization, what happens? Formation of zygote. Zygote is one of the most important, or the fertilization is also most critical and most important phase. So zygote is diploid condition, or the after differentiation and division and differentiation, zygote is converted into sporophyte, as and the cycle repeats itself, like I earlier told there. There are two types of spores, male spores, female spores. These spores bear sporangia and they produce and they bear sporangia bear spores and they give rise to male gametophyte and female gametophyte. These are thalloid body and photosynthetic in nature, and they are female gametophyte is dependent on female gametophyte. Wait, let's change the color of the marker. Male gametophyte and female gametophyte. So what happens? Female gametophyte retain on the body of female sporophyte. For some variable period, and that show a precursor for seed habit, or we can say that like in higher classes or in higher phylums, you will see that seed habit is also an important part in the life cycle of the plant. So next is, I think, so what are the examples of pteridophytes? There are four. Pteridophyte is a Pteridophyta, or is a class. Wait. Pteridophyta is a division under the plant kingdom So examples are, there are four classes in the division Pteridophytes. First is Xylophyta, and the example is Xylotum. P is silent in the Xylota. And the second is Synopsida. Example is first is Lycopsida. Example is Lycopodium. And Selaginella. Third is Synopsida. Example is Equisetum. And the fourth one is Pteridia. Pteridium, sorry. Pteropsida. Example is Pteris, Dryopteris, now some of the uses of pteridophytes. Why or the use of pteridophytes? First of all, they are having medicinal properties. So they are grown for medical purposes, for medicinal, having medicinal properties, that's why they are grown. And they are ornamental, and they act as soil binders that prevents soil erosion. So these are some of the uses, and these are the examples of pteridophytes. I hope it is clear to you now that how pteridophytes what are pteridophytes, and the brief discussion of pteridophytes and their reproduction and examples. Thank you.